Hey guys, and welcome. So how do you add TikTok shop product to your TikTok video? It's going to be really quick. Now, opening your seller shop here, click products, manage products. Let's wait for it to load here. And here, click copy. Click the copy here, or you could just simply go directly to this one right here. This is the product that I blurred out. This is the number. And make sure your account is linked, by the way. Now that it's copied, it's going to be really quick. Let's go to your TikTok, main TikTok account, upload a file, the video, and then let's just go ahead and go to process, select file, paste the link here, the number, and once you've uploaded it, I'm still uploading the video here. So as you can see, the product is here on the side. So that's how quick and how easy it is. So I hope this video is educational for you guys, and the product's now on the side. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.